Which is the first step in the evolution of plants? Yes, the correct answer is D. Algae. Bryophytes are dependent on water for. And the correct answer is B. Reproduction. Which division of algae contains chlorophyll A and B? Yes, the correct answer is C. Chlorophyll. The main plant body of a moss is. Yes, the correct answer is B. Gametophyte. Which of the following is the most advanced group of plants? Yes, the correct answer is B. Angiosperms. Rhizoids and bryophytes function as. Yes, the correct answer is B. Absorptive organs. The dominant phase in the life cycle of gymnosperms is. Yes, the correct answer is B. Sporophyte. What type of life cycle pattern is found in ferns? Yes, the correct answer is C. Haplodiplontic. In algae, the zygote develops into. Yes, the correct answer is A. Sporophyte. The female sex organ in bryophytes is called. Yes, the correct answer is A. Archegonium. Which of the following is not a characteristic of gymnosperms? Yes, the correct answer is C. Flowers with petals and sepals. What is the dominant phase in angiosperms? Yes, the correct answer is B. Sporophyte. Which group of plants shows true alternation of generations? Yes, the correct answer is C. Pteridophytes. A protonema is associated with. Yes, the correct answer is B. Bryophytes. The sporophyte in pteridophytes produces spores through. Yes, the correct answer is B. Meiosis. Gymnosperms are predominantly. Yes, the correct answer is B. Dicot. The process of fertilization in bryophytes is. And the correct answer is A. Water dependent. Which of the following has a free-living gametophyte? Yes, the correct answer is A. Pteridophytes. An example of a seedless vascular plant? Yes, the correct answer is C. Pteridophyte. Which group of plants has vascular tissues but no seeds? Yes, the correct answer is C. Pteridophytes. The reproductive structures in gymnosperms are. Yes, the correct answer is B. Cones. Which of the following is the characteristic pigment of brown algae? And the correct answer is B. Fuchsanthin. In which group of plants double fertilization occurs? Yes, the correct answer is C. Angiosperms. Which plant group has a dominant sporophyte and highly reduced gametophyte? Yes, the correct answer is B. Angiosperms. Which algae poses phycoerythrin pigment? And the correct answer is C. Red algae. Which of the following is a heterosporous pteridophyte? And the correct answer is A. Saleginella. In which group of plants water is essential for fertilization? Correct answer is C. Pteridophytes. The food reserve in brown algae is. Correct answer is B. Laminarin. Which division of algae shows the alternation of generations? Yes, the correct answer is D. All of these. Antheridia are found in. Yes, the correct answer is D. All of these. The characteristic feature of rhodophysi is. Yes, the correct answer is D. All of the above. The smallest gymnosperm is. Yes, the correct answer is D. Zamia. Gametophyte of bryophytes is. Yes, the correct answer is B. Haploid. In which plant group heterospory is first observed? Yes, the correct answer is C. Pteridophytes. Vascular tissues are absent in. Yes, the correct answer is D. Bryophytes. The term Protonema is associated with which group of plants? Yes, the correct answer is B. Bryophytes. What is the dominant phase in pteridophytes? Yes, the correct answer is B. Sporophyte. In angiosperms, pollination takes place through. Yes, the correct answer is D. All of these. Which algae is called stonewort? And the correct answer is A. Chara. Gymnosperms differ from angiosperms in having. Yes, the correct answer is A. Cones. Gametophyte generation is dominant in. And the correct answer is B. Bryophytes. The photosynthetic pigment in chlorophysi is. Yes, the correct answer is C. Chlorophyll A and B. In which plant group Archegonia are absent? Yes, the correct answer is D. Angiosperms. Example of a homosporous fern is. Yes, the correct answer is C. Pteris. The dominant plant body in algae is. Yes, the correct answer is A. Gametophyte. In Phaeophysi, food is stored as. Yes, the correct answer is C. Laminarin. Which of the following is a seedless vascular plant? Yes, the correct answer is D. Pteridophytes. In Rhodophysi, food is stored as. And the correct answer is C. Floridian starch. In gymnosperms, fertilization is. Yes, the correct answer is A. Single. Which of the following is a feature of algae? Yes, the correct answer is B. Absence of roots, stems, and leaves. Which pigment is responsible for the red color in Rhodophysi? Yes, the correct answer is B. Phycoerythrin. In which group of plants does the embryo develop inside the female gametophyte? Yes, the correct answer is A. Bryophytes. Which of the following is a liverwort? Yes, the correct answer is B. Riccia. The prothallus is the gametophyte of. Yes, the correct answer is B. Pteridophytes. Which of the following produces seeds but not fruits? Yes, the correct answer is A. Gymnosperms. In which plant group sperm swim to the egg for fertilization? Yes, the correct answer is C. Bryophytes.